In this video, I'll show you how to categorize downloaded transactions in QuickBooks Online so your books stay clean and your reports make sense. First, you need transactions inside QBO, either by connecting your bank or uploading a file. From the left menu, go to Transactions, then open Bank Transactions. If you want a live feed, click Link Account and follow the prompts to connect securely so QuickBooks can pull in activity automatically. If you prefer manual control, choose Upload File, select a supported format like CSV, and follow the import steps to bring transactions in. Once they appear in the list, click any transaction to review details like payee, amount, and date. Then use the Category or Account drop-down to choose the best matching expense or income category so it lands correctly on your financial statements. If nothing fits, create a new category that matches your tracking needs, but keep it consistent to avoid messy reporting later. When you're confident, click Add to confirm, and the transaction will move out of the For Review area as categorized. Repeat this habit regularly, and your bookkeeping stays fast, accurate, and stress-free. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make everyday tasks easier.